Hi, I am Pack Defense Info. Today I'll talk about new Chinese attack unmanned aerial vehicle. This is first Chinese-made, indigenous attack UAV helicopter. Chinese unmanned helicopter not used for only attack but it also used for reconnaissance. The 7.2 meters long aircraft, developed and produced at the AVIC Helicopter Research and Development Institute in Jingdezhen, Jiangxi Province, has a maximum takeoff weight of 450 kilograms, a maximum speed of 170 kilometers per hour and a flight ceiling of 4,000 meters. According to the institute, the helicopter is capable of carrying 120 kilograms of weapons and equipment. Its reconnaissance version can remain aloft for 8 hours while the reconnaissance combat model is able to fly 4 hours.